Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step.
Part 1.
Tom, what are you doing in the kitchen?
I don't know. I feel nervous.
Why nervous? What happened today?
My parents went on a business trip.
Business trip?
Yes, they left this morning. No one at home.
Oh, so you are alone today.
Yes, alone. And hungry.
Hungry? Then order food. Easy.
No money left. My wallet is empty.
Oh no, no wallet, no money.
Exactly. No wallet, no money, no food.
So you must cook.
Cook? Me? Impossible.
Not impossible. Cooking can be fun.
Cooking is not fun for me.
Tom, do you know the word recipe?
Recipe? No. What is recipe?
Recipe means instructions for cooking.
Instructions? Like steps?
Yes, steps for food. Example, a cake recipe.
Okay. Recipe means instructions.
Correct. But today, no recipe.
No recipe? Then what do I follow?
You follow me and your feeling.
My feeling sounds dangerous.
No, it's safe.
Really? Cook without recipe?
Yes, cooking without a recipe.
That sounds scary.
Don't worry, I am here.
Okay, but I feel nervous.
Nervous means worried, right?
Yes, worried, nervous.
Relax, Tom. Cooking is like an adventure.
Adventure? Like a trip?
Yes, a trip with food.
A food trip. I like that.
You will learn new words too.
New words? From cooking?
Exactly. Cooking teaches English.
Wow. Cooking and English. 2 in 1.
Right. Free English words.
Free words? I like free words.
So, are you ready?
Ready? Not really.
Don't worry. Step by step.
Step by step. Like English.
Exactly. Step by step, you learn.
Okay, I will try.
Good. First, look around.
Look around? At what?
At the kitchen. This is the kitchen.
Kitchen. I know this word.
Great. Kitchen means the place to cook.
Kitchen means the place to cook.
Perfect. So today, we cook in the kitchen.
Cook in the kitchen. Without recipe.
Exactly. Without recipe.
I feel scared and excited.
That is normal. Cooking is new for you.
Yes. New and scary.
New and exciting.
Okay. Exciting.
What food do you want?
Food? Anything easy.
Easy food. Maybe eggs.
Eggs? I like eggs.
Good. Eggs are simple.
But how to cook eggs?
Don't worry. We will see.
Okay. Eggs first?
Yes, but first, find ingredients.
Ingredients. New word. What is it?
Ingredients mean things for cooking.
Things for cooking. Ingredients.
Correct. Example, salt is an ingredient.
Salt is an ingredient. Okay.
And eggs are ingredients too.
Eggs are ingredients. I understand.
Perfect. So let's search for ingredients.
Search for ingredients. Okay.
Open the fridge.
Fridge? You mean refrigerator?
Yes. Fridge is short for refrigerator.
Fridge. Okay. Open the fridge.
Exactly. Open it.
Wow. So many things.
Good. We will choose some.
Choose without recipe?
Yes, without recipe. Trust yourself.
Trust myself. Okay, I will try.
Don't forget, cooking is fun.
Cooking is fun. Maybe.
Cooking is learning, too.
Cooking is learning. I like that.
See? You are ready.
Ready. Maybe a little.
That's enough. Let's begin.
Begin cooking. Without recipe.
Exactly. Adventure starts now.
Part 2. Ingredients in the kitchen.
Tom, open the fridge.
The fridge is cold.
Yes, cold because of ice inside.
I see eggs.
Eggs are good. Take them.
Eggs. Fragile.
Fragile means easy to break.
Easy to break. Fragile eggs.
Perfect. Now put them on the table.
Eggs on the table. Done.
What else do you see?
I see green things.
Those are vegetables.
Vegetables. Green and fresh.
Yes, vegetables are healthy food.
Healthy food. Vegetables.
Good. Take some.
Okay, vegetables on the table.
Perfect. Now look again.
I see a bottle.
That's oil.
Oil. For cooking?
Yes, oil makes food hot and tasty.
Oil makes food tasty.
Correct. Put the oil here.
Oil on the table.
What else?
A small white box.
Open it.
Oh, it's salt.
Right. Salt is white crystals for flavor.
Salt for flavor.
Yes. Too much salt is bad.
Too much is bad.
Exactly. A little is good.
A little salt is good.
So now we have eggs, vegetables, salt, and oil.
Eggs, vegetables, salt, oil. 4 things.
Do you remember the word?
Word. Ingredient?
Yes. These are ingredients.
Ingredients. Eggs, vegetables, salt, oil.
Perfect.
Ashley, no meat?
No meat today. Only simple food.
Simple food. Easy food.
Exactly. Cooking without recipe is simple.
Cooking simple. Okay.
Anything else in the fridge?
I see milk.
Milk is good, but not for eggs.
Not for eggs. Okay.
Close the fridge.
Fridge closed.
Now open the cupboard.
Cupboard.
Cupboard means a small kitchen closet.
Kitchen closet. Cupboard.
Yes, open it.
I see sugar.
Sugar makes food sweet.
Sweet sugar.
Correct, but not for eggs.
Not for eggs.
Take nothing from there.
Okay. Only eggs, vegetables, salt, oil.
Perfect. Now wash the vegetables.
Wash vegetables with water?
Yes, clean with water.
Vegetables clean.
Good job. Now we are ready.
Ready to cook?
Yes, ready to cook without recipe.
I feel nervous again.
Nervous is normal.
Nervous but ready.
Great. Put vegetables on the cutting board.
Cutting board. This flat wood?
Yes, flat wood for cutting.
Cutting board. Okay. Vegetables here.
Now, get a knife.
Knife? Dangerous.
Careful, Tom. Hold slowly.
Knife in my hand.
Cut the vegetables.
Oh no. Big pieces.
It's okay. Big or small, it's food.
Big vegetables. Not beautiful.
Beautiful is not important.
Not important. Okay.
Cooking is about trying.
Trying. Step by step.
Exactly.
Part 3. Start cooking.
Tom, put the pan on the stove.
Pan? This round thing?
Yes, a pan for cooking.
Pan for cooking. Okay.
Good. Now turn on the stove.
Fire!
Careful, not too big.
Small fire. Okay.
Pour oil into the pan.
Oh no, too much oil.
Just a little, Tom.
A little oil is better.
Right. Now wait until hot. Oil is hot now.
Ah, fire! Big fire!
Tom, don't panic.
What do we do? Water?
No, never use water on oil fire
Never water? Why?
because the oil is too hot. Water makes the fire bigger.
Bigger fire? Oh no.
Use the lid. Cover the pan.
Lid? This round cover?
Yes, quickly.
Oh, safe now.
See, oil was too hot. Remember, no water on oil fire.
I learned new rule. Safety first.
Exactly. Safety first in the kitchen. Crack the eggs into the pan.
Crack? Break the shell?
Yes, break the shell carefully.
Oh no! Egg on the table!
One in pan, one on table.
Egg on table. Not good.
It happens. Cooking is messy sometimes.
Messy cooking. Okay.
Use the spatula and stir.
Stir. Move in circle?
Yes, move food around.
Stir, stir, stir.
Perfect. Now add vegetables.
Vegetables in the pan.
Mix with eggs.
Mix. Stir. Yes.
Careful, Tom. Don't burn it.
Burn? Make it black?
Exactly. Burn means too hot. Food turns black.
Don't burn. Okay.
Lower the fire a little.
Fire smaller.
Good. Now sprinkle salt.
Sprinkle means put small pieces?
Yes. Sprinkle a little salt.
Oh no, too salty?
Maybe. We will see.
Too much salt is bad.
Yes, but still food.
Food, maybe not tasty.
Don't worry. Sometimes mistakes taste good.
Mistakes taste good? Interesting.
Cooking is an adventure.
Adventure in the kitchen.
Exactly. Try to stir again.
Stir, not burn. Okay.
Good job.
Ashley, the pan is heavy.
Use 2 hands. Hold steady.
2 hands. Steady.
Now lift the pan.
Lift. It's hot.
Use the cloth.
Okay. Better.
Pour food onto the plate.
Oh no, half on table.
Half on plate, half on table.
Messy Chef Tom.
Still okay. We can eat.
Eat messy food?
Yes, food is food.
Okay. Food is food. Part 4. Tasting the food.
Okay, Tom. The food is ready.
Ready, but messy.
Messy, but still food.
Messy food is still food.
Here, take a bite.
Bite? You mean eat a little?
Yes, eat a little piece.
Tasty.
Tasty means good flavor.
Tasty. Good flavor. I like tasty food.
Try more. What do you feel?
A little salty.
Salty means too much salt,
Salty food. Too much salt.
but still okay.
Salty, but okay.
Do you taste sweet?
Sweet. No sugar here.
True. Sweet means like sugar.
Sweet means like sugar.
Right. This food is not sweet.
Not sweet. Only salty.
What about spicy?
Spicy? Like chili?
Yes, spicy means hot flavor from chili.
No spicy here. Only salty eggs.
Salty eggs. Tom's recipe.
My first recipe. Salty eggs.
But overall, it's delicious.
Delicious? Very tasty?
Yes. Delicious means very tasty.
Delicious means very tasty.
Exactly.
Delicious salty eggs.
Fun fact, Tom.
Fun fact, tell me.
Many famous dishes started by mistake.
By mistake? Really?
Yes, someone cooked without a recipe.
Like me.
Exactly. And the mistake became delicious.
Mistake food became famous food.
Right. For example, potato chips.
Potato chips,
A chef cooked them thin by accident.
thin by accident. And now famous.
Yes, the world loves potato chips.
Wow. Maybe my salty eggs will be famous.
Maybe, Tom. Maybe. So, Tom, how do you feel?
At first, nervous.
And now?
Now proud. I cooked.
Yes, you cooked without a recipe.
Cooking without recipe means fun adventure.
Exactly. And learning, too.
Yes. I learned new words. Pan, stir, burn.
And tasty, salty, sweet, spicy, delicious.
Tasty, salty, sweet, spicy, delicious.
Perfect.
Cooking is like English.
How?
Step by step, I learn.
Yes, small steps, big progress.
Small steps, big progress.
Tom, look at the kitchen now.
Oh no. Dirty plates, messy table.
That's cooking. Messy, but fun.
Messy but fun. I agree.
More important, you cooked today.
Yes. My first meal without recipe.
And how do you feel?
I feel proud.
Proud means happy about yourself.
Proud. Happy about myself. Yes.
Did you learn something new?
Yes. Cooking words and life words.
Life words. Tell me.
Cooking teaches patience.
Patience?
Yes. Wait, stir, not rush. Patience.
Correct. Patience makes food better.
Patience makes life better too.
Good. What else?
Cooking teaches confidence.
Confidence means believe in yourself.
Confidence. Believe in myself.
Exactly. From nervous to confident.
Nervous to confident. That's me.
Tom, will you cook again?
Maybe. But next time, with recipe.
Recipe helps, yes.
But no recipe makes me learn more.
Exactly. Mistakes teach best.
Mistakes teach best.
Today you learned kitchen words: pan, stir, burn, fry, boil. Taste words: tasty, salty, sweet, spicy, delicious. Life words: patience, confidence, proud.
Kitchen words, taste words, life words.
And one big idea.
Cooking is like English.
Step by step, you grow.
Step by step, I grow.
Great job, Tom.
Thank you, Ashley.
And thank you, my friend.
Yes, thank you for learning with us.
Remember, every word is like an ingredient.
Ingredient?
Yes, part of a recipe.
Ingredient means part of recipe.
Exactly. Collect words. Cook sentences.
Collect words, cook sentences. I love that.
So, what's your final sentence today?
Less fear, more cooking.
Or, less fear, more English.
Even better. Less fear, more English.
Perfect closing. Thanks for learning with From Me to English. Download the free PDF to review today's lesson and practice more at home. See you in the next story.